Today I will show you how to make Wavy Afghan on the Passap. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position and the beds are centered. Raise 170 needles on the front bed, 90 needles to the left and 80 needles to the right. Place the edge springs on the last needles and make sure the latches are closed. My machine has 89 needles to the right and I can't use all needles. Tell me in the comments how many needles your machine has. Raise pushers under all working needles on the front bed and arrange them as shown in the diagram. You must have groups of 5 pushers. Now raise the opposite 170 needles on the back bed. Place the edge springs on the last working needles. Raise pushers under all working needles on the back bed and arrange them as shown in the diagram. Don't forget to support me by liking the video. Set both locks to N and the stitch size to 2. Insert the orange strippers and take the first color yarn. I'm using 2 strands of acrylic yarn. Knit 1 row. Set both locks to CX and increase the stitch size to 3. Now knit 2 rows. Set both locks to N and increase the stitch size to 4. Knit 1 row to finish the cast on and take the second color yarn. Clear the row counter, set both locks to AX and press both left arrow keys. Knit 2 rows and change the color. Rotate the racking handle 1 full turn anti-clockwise, knit 2 rows and change the color again. Remove the edge spring and transfer the leftmost stitch on the back bed 1 needle to the right. This way you will have a nice looking edge. Put the leftmost needle and pusher out of working position. Rotate the racking handle 1 full turn clockwise, knit 2 rows and change the color. Rotate the racking handle 1 full turn anti-clockwise, knit 2 rows and change the color. You have to repeat these steps until you reach the desired length of the blanket. Each time after knitting the second row, leave the lock at the right, then rotate the racking handle, pick up the eyelet and continue knitting. I find it easier that way. We are almost ready. When you reach the desired length, put the leftmost needle on the back bed in working position. Make sure to knit the last row with the second color and now the machine is threaded with the first one. Set both locks to N and increase the stitch size to 6. Knit 1 row and lower the front bed. Use the yellow tool and make a zigzag latch cast off. Close the front bed, raise the needles all the way, then pull them down to remove the blanket from the machine. Then you only need to hide the yarn tails and the blanket is ready. Do you like it? Tell me in the comments below. That's all for today, thank you for watching, have a nice day and see you in my next video.